Right, so here's a bit of comedy for a Thursday morning. Right, customer brings his Golf into us, says, I've got awful knocking coming from the front. He said, it sounds like it's coming from the engine bay. So he's like, yeah, no problem, leave it with us. He's like, if you can't fix it, just buy the car off of us. I was like, yeah, all right, no problem. We'll have a look though, and we'll see what it's like. Right, come and have a look at this. Lovely paintwork on the bonnet. Straight away, airbox is not connected very well. Battery, we've already removed that to charge. So we're diagnosing a supposedly knocking noise coming from the engine. Right, ready for this? If you've got a mouthful of tea, swallow it quickly now. Look at the fucking state of that. Rather than putting another mount in, or spending literally about tenner on another mount, they've decided to bodge a mount themselves. And look at this. Isn't even doing anything. Unbelievable. I don't know how the guy managed to drive around without the bottom, without the engine falling out of this. So yeah, there's your bit of laughter for a Thursday morning. Hope that cheered you up if you're having a down day. Good luck, be good, I'll speak to you soon. Ta-da.